Nagbayad nga ako ng 700. Ako mamamimili, sabi niya, group picking lang. Bakit siya?
Sugar ice cream, ma'am. Try nyo lang mga madam. Kumita tayo, ma'am. 700 per kilo.
Oh, dami yan ha.
Sir, mamitas.
Ito kaya mamaya magbukas
Para may nalagay sa inyo. Ice cream and picking. So talagang kwenta farmers na lang silang kumain handa ka lang sa iyo sabi dun sa paparik
Sure.
Pagpik kayo ma'am bawal magtapon may guide po kasi ma'am kung magtitikas po kayo ma'am ano yan? May guide po kasi pag magtitikas po ma'am tikas po kayo? Okay tapos lang po kayo sa ano 700 ma'am isang kilo 700 kilo. Ay, pipigil mo. Kasi over. Tama ka, ma?
Bayad ito.
Wala pa yung kilo. Tama ka? Minimum po ma'am 1 kilo ma'am. Tara na po.
Let them go first.
Dito po mo.
If it's not minimum 1 kilo.
Okay. Sounds good.
Ito may doon dito, strawberry lang. Berera ko. Wala ko lakaw-lakaw. Oo, nakuhaan mo ko silang hagdanan.
Should we rest?
Ano naman doon may upuan?
Oo, mainit doon. Baka ano maano si nanay. Pagkala dito muna. Bago relax.
Tupig, ma'am, sir. Tupig po, sir, ma'am. Sir, tupig. Bili ka na dyan, sir.
Thank you.
na 250. Ah, dahil ang dami ko yun.
I see.
Dito kami sa Pwede niya po. Punta ka sa dito. Basta yung dito. Yes, sir. Ay, sir, di ba na-picture ka? Ikaw, sir.
Thank you.
You mix.
Okay. Thank you.
Did you get some? Yeah. Harrison, would you like? Oh, he's Shara there. Oh, there's a big one. Here, that one, Shira.
Small ones are good too.
Oh yeah, small ones. So at least we can get a lot. There's some. You don't want to pick? You don't want to pick?
You think these are good? Good enough?
The red. Super red.
You like these?
Huh?
Do you like these?
Sure.
Do you like these? Do you like them? You don't know? No.
Ay, there was a no.
Oh, you don't
Put
need
it
to
back.
bring those. What if I'm got tasted by snails, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, dito dyan natin.
Should we combine?
Sure. Eventually. Or you want to do it now?
Yeah, because when it's
when it reaches a kilo.
The kilo is full. Shaira, enough ka na. Baka ano.
You wanna keep only the nicest?
Oh my gosh, that's so nice.
Why?
Yours is very nice. Hala, baka sobra na tayo, Shaira.
You want me to pick more?
No. Sobra na tayo.
Cut the green stuff off. More will fit. There you go. Just shake them into place.
Ay!
Not like that.
Oh, no need to pick.
There you go. Looks good. Good. Yeah, that will fit. It's right here.
No?
Right here. Take the scissors out. We don't want to scale that. Put that in the scale. There you go. Nice. Let's go. Yeah, others were saying 600 a kilo for a basket. The customer, skin color.
Iba yung may-ari dyan.
Ate, yung ano namin dun sa dulo, 600 lang daw sila.
Yan, 100. Siksik mo yan, ma'am. 100 isa.
600 per kilo. Ano?
Hindi ko naman kayo manitas ba? Kulang na lang ng konti para 1.4, 1.3, 1.3. 1.3. Magkano yung 1.3?
Ano po na din? 700 no? Ayun dahil 1.3, 700. 910.
600 lang daw, ate.
How much they're paying?
Yung,
Those others picking there.
oo, yung sa dulo, 600 lang.
Saan po? So, yung babae?
Ibang nandun sa dulo. 600 lang daw yung siningil sa kanila. Ang kilo.
700 pesos lang.
1.3 yata yun.
Alin pa?
Bakit
700. Yung ano namin.
Eh, bakit yung iba 600 lang? Yung nandun sa dulo. Yung siningil sa kanila.
Apa manu ayat Jay? 600?
Opo.
Kasi din na gitu ya. Sibin.
Ay, ukan, silod mo na stay mo, no? Kurang 1.3.
Eh, bakit yung iba sabi nga 600 lang nandun sa kanila?
Yan, ito yung kuyog mo. Ay, siga. Saka yung kuyog bibinda. Lang.
Ay, ini na? Ala ko nalimitas pa dun eh. Iluhin na natin.
Dagatang mo. Tama na.
Ito,
Dan.
hindi naman ako makayoko-yoko dun.
Lima?
Salubong kay ano.
Magkano ba siya?
Silaw, SNM.
Magkano daw?
May tawad na.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
May mga damage. Hindi man.
Pili ka ma'am.
I only give them you like lettuce? It's only 50 pesos per day.
Sure.
Magkano yung lettuce ate?
Dito sa strawberry natin, ma'am. Baka gusto nyo rin mag-additional. 50 na lang.
Nagano na kami ate. Sana bumili na lang pala kami ng ganyan. Sana hindi na kami nag...
Pampasano doon, ma'am. May jam po kami doon.
Jam? Ito may jam.
100. 120 sana, 100 na.
Ay, sige, 100 na lang. I'll try the jam.
Sure.
Okay.
Would you like jam? Would you like strawberry jam? Mommy's buying you one.
Look at this big, nice strawberry here. You like strawberry here? Here.
Thank you.
Salamat.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Sir, ma'am, tupig. Strawberry
Thank
tupig,
you.
sir.
Magkano yung tupig?
6.50, ma'am. Pag 100, gay ko ng 16 sa inyo, ma'am. Hanggang 5 diesel, ma'am. Dinadala ko rin sa abroad. Inyong po siya na may malagay.
It's okay.
I'll go to grandma.
Okay.
Ay, yung last one mo. Oh, yan na yan. Pasalubong. Kuya. Wesley. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay, it's 6 pieces for 50 pesos. But 100, it's 16 pieces.
Very cool.
Plus 1 free taste.
Aw.
They bargain it for me.
What is it?
It is
Rice and strawberries? Or?
I think it's cassava with coconut and strawberry.
Cool. No rice?
No rice.
So cassava is the starch?
Would like to try?
No, it's okay. Thank you.
Masarap naman.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, tara na.
Carrots.
Isilapin mo ah.
Ha?
Nakalimutan ko.
Opo. Tupi. Ay, suman. You like? Oh, she likes. Look, lettuce, so 50 pesos lang. Okay, let's go.
Candy.